Don't always fry chicken. Today I will share with you a very simple one. Delicious soy sauce chicken. Tender and juicy after serving. Rich sauce. It's better than cut chicken. Follow my video next. Let's see how it is done together. First we prepare a hen that is more than half a year old. Deal with the chicken you bought first. The fat on it needs to be cut off. Then put it on the fire. Burn the fluff off the chicken skin. Then put it under running water. Wash the chicken thoroughly. Wash the chicken, dry the moisture and put it aside for later use. Prepare a piece of ginger. Slice it up. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare another half onion. Cut in half first and we cut them into little pieces. Finally, prepare a green onion festival. Add a little cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the onion and ginger down and fry until fragrant. After stir-frying, add a small half bowl of light soy sauce, a little rice wine to remove the fishy smell. Add a spoonful of dark soy sauce. Then pour in a little more water. Because we put the whole chicken in the pot, so the amount of water should be slightly more. Then add a spoonful of chicken essence, a chunk of rock candy. After boiling, add a few fragrant leaves to star anise. We skim the foam that comes up with a spoon. Cook for about 2分钟 to boil the fragrance inside. Then blanch the whole chicken. Just pick it up, repeat and iron it more. This way the chicken skin becomes tighter. Where you can't see, let's pour boiling water on the surface of the chicken again. Then cover the pot and cook on low heat for 20分钟 to. We open the lid when it's about time. And then you turn it over. Turn it over, cover the pot and cook for a few minutes. When the time is up, we open the lid. Wow, that smells great. Remember to close the window at this time. Otherwise, the lady next door will come to eat again. We use a spoon to pour more on top of the chicken skin. Finally, cover the pot, simmer for 2 or 3 minutes and it's almost there. This time, we can use a large colander. Put the chicken out first. Then use a colander to remove the slag in the pot, fishing it out, not because of the aroma of these spices. It's all released. Then we started a fire. Take the soup inside until it thickens. Add this soy sauce. Pour it over the skin of the chicken. This can be well colored. The tutorial is almost like this in the video. It's very simple. The delicious soy sauce chicken is ready. Let it cool before we chop the chicken into small pieces. On a plate, then pour a little of the sauce in the pot on it. Finally, sprinkle it with sexy scallions. A simple and delicious soy sauce chicken is ready. Beautiful color, looks like an appetite. It smells like soy sauce, tender and juicy. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. You won't be disappointed. Well, today's video is shared here. If you like my video, remember to like it, leave a message and forward it. See you in the next video.